Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com here with another one of my FabFitFun unboxings and reviews. This is for the spring box. Each box can have up to $250 worth of products in it depending on how you customize it. Seasonal members pay only $54.99 for each box and will be able to pick out 4 of the products included. Annual members pay $199 and will be able to customize every product in the box. But if you use my code FLORES, you will get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Now, annual members get tons of perks, including special add-ons and first dibs on sales, so you'll definitely want to check that out in the link below. All right, and with all that said, let's check out the spring box. Opening these boxes are such a joy because they always have some fun print to them for each season. This one has skateboarder. Look at those bright colors, so cute. Ooh, stickers. How cute is this? Okay. Pass this along to a friend who will love FabFitFun. Ooh, coupon code for a friend. And then there is the FabFitFun magazine. These not only have cute little articles in them, but it gives you information about each product that's included in the box or available in the FabFitFun box. Okay, now let me just warn you, I was able to customize this box, and because I am such a beauty and skincare person, that's what you're gonna see in this box. So I selected these because I just love trying out new beauty products and beauty brands. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's start. All right, so the first product that I see here is by Josie Maran, and this is the Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. Now, she is famous for her argan oil products. Like this brand put that on the map, really. And now that they have the whipped body oil, I'm in the middle of winter here in New York City. It's really cold. My skin gets really dry, especially like my legs get really, really dry. So when I saw this, I knew I had to try it. Shea butter, avocado oil, and white tea extract revitalize and restore. Its lightweight, velvety texture absorbs instantly. And that's very familiar packaging right there. So excited to use this. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, and it really does absorb really well and really quickly. You're not left feeling like greasy or anything. I love that. That's really nice. And I love that smell. The next product is also by a brand that I really, really love, and that's Farmacy. This is their Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Again, I've been feeling dry, and I love this brand so much, so I really wanted to try this. This is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin with lasting hydration. Potent plant-based ceramides, antioxidant-rich buckwheat honey, and sweet fig provide optimal hydration and help protect the skin's moisture barrier. Restores moisture to help visibly plump skin and improve the look of fine lines for normal to dry skin. Neat! It comes with its own, oh, I love this! It's magnetic. It has its own little spoon so that you can take out from the jar without putting your fingers in it and hands in it. It keeps it really hygienic. And then I love that it's magnetic, so you could just stick it right on top. You're not going to lose this. I love that. The next product is by Fenty Beauty, and this is their Diamond Balm. This is an all-over diamond veil, and it's in the color Royal Icing, and I 100% picked this out. I remember picking it out because as soon as I saw it, glitter and sparkle are very in. If you watched my beauty trends for 2022, you're gonna see a lot of sparkle, a lot of metallics, and this was just perfect. Look at that beautiful packaging, and it's absolutely gorgeous. That color is absolutely stunning. So it's an all-over product. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. You know what? Let's try this out a little bit. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh. Can you see that? Oh, that's beautiful. Let's try this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this a ton. The next product is by Hourglass, and this is their Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. This is in the color Incandescent Electra. Oof, how pretty is that? Oh, that's such a good shade. Cool tone pinks are very, very in this year, and this is kind of a cool tone, kind of a Barbie pink in there, along with the streaks of like that champagne gold. This is gonna be beautiful. Next, we have the Hypernova Eye Serum, a refreshing gel serum that reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Advanced blend of peptides, beta-glucan, artemisia, and caffeine rejuvenates the delicate skin around your eyes. This I picked out because I can get some really bad dark circles when I work late, which is quite often. I have kids too, so yeah, this is going to be really handy. This is going to come in handy, I hope. Now you have to make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Jessica Y. Flores because I use all of the products, and then I'll let you know on my Instagram how they've worked out for me and how you can use them as well. And the last product is by Kate Somerville, and this is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It says here, the next best thing to seeing Kate in the clinic is treating yourself to a Kate Somerville signature facial at home. Natural exfoliants help to clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify and renew skin, balancing hydration without overdrying. See dramatically smoother, brighter, healthier looking skin in just 2 minutes. Oh yeah, definitely trying this ASAP. I'm all for an at-home facial. If I don't have to go anywhere or pay anyone to get my skin looking great, oh yeah, that's a big plus. Once again, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. Last summer, for the summer FabFitFun products, I did a video using all of the beauty products in my FabFitFun summer box. So I will try to do something similar with these products, or I'll definitely incorporate them in some way and show you how I use them and how they work out for me. And that was everything in my FabFitFun spring box. Again, I picked these out. I am a huge beauty, skincare, and makeup person, so I select these, which means I'm overwhelmingly happy with them. And again, one of the perks about being, whether you're an annual member or a seasonal member, you can pick out some of the products or all of the products depending on your membership level, so you will love every box. And again, don't forget to use my code FLORES to get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite product, what you are most interested in. If you want me to do a dedicated video on any one of these products, a dedicated review blog maybe, let me know in the comment section below. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.